Keto Blake here again. Coming at you in the snowstorm. Oh boy.
Yeah, that's me with my hoverboard.
With the hover boy over there. That's right.
Going so fast.
Alright, tonight we're going to make grilled jalapeno poppers. Ooh, yeah. They're
How do you
keto.
make them?
They're always keto.
Yep.
Alright, so you take your jalapenos, you cut off the tops, and you ream out the inside.
Yeah, the seeds.
And if you want it spicy, you keep the seeds in. If you want to burn your mouth off, keep the seeds in. Or not, if not, take them out. Preheat your grill to high. Don't forget to preheat. Sometimes I do. You take a thing of cream cheese, put it in. Take another thing of cream cheese, put it in.
Let me see what it looks like.
A little bit of Gouda cheese there. All right, boy. There, dump some of that in there.
See how much?
Just a little bit more than that. A bunch, I guess. Yeah, come on. All right, that's good.
Oh,
Good there. Bacon wrapped. Did I say bacon wrapped? I don't know, but that's what we're gonna do.
You did it.
Spice it. Salt, pepper. My signature spices. If you're paying attention, you'll know what that is. Cajun spice.
Take a spade.
Turmeric. Onion powder.
Whoa.
Garlic. All right, then. I guess we'll do it one at a time here like this.
Why you
Line up this tray.
I can't.
All right, then. You want to mix it up here. This is first time making this, by the way. This appears to be a little bit more difficult than I had expected. Maybe you might want to melt it first.
Just soften it and like on the counter.
Soften it on the counter probably first. The cream cheese. Or you'll have a mess on your hands. More pain in the ass, more like.
Can I see? Looks pretty good.
Oh, it does look good. Well, now, load it. Load that sucker. Yeah, something like that. And then, take your bacon. I halved it. You don't have to half it if you don't want.
He didn't try to, but he did it anyway.
Yeah, I did it anyway because I'm used to cutting bacon in half. It's actually an accident. Keto Tanya got involved tonight. Make it go a lot easier, smoother.
Yeah, the boy is holding the camera.
The boy is holding the camera. That's right.
Thank you for helping us.
Thank you, boy. All right, now we're gonna make a keto barbecue sauce here. We're gonna use Primal Kitchen keto ketchup. I've said this before, but 2 carbs total. We actually found this one sugar-free ketchup today, made by G. Hughes. Oh yeah, award-winning pitmaster. Oh boy. Maybe we'll try half on them. I don't know. But dump it out in the pan.
Maybe the dish.
Dump probably half of the bottle and break your dish.
Did you flip it?
Unreal.
Did you click it, boy?
I did.
What?
I did. A little Dijon mustard in there.
Woke it.
I don't know why that one's in the fridge.
What? You don't know why it was
It's empty.
Keto ketchup. And here.
Dijon mustard in there. That's always good. And then that good swerve sugar replacement
Did you have sugar?
makes it real nice. Nice and keto.
Wait, we made this before. We made this before.
Couple of tablespoons of that in there. Maybe 2.5. Stir it up. Stir it up.
They did a choice. Oh, that was fast. Can I see what it looks like? Can I see what it looks like?
Needs a little more. 3 tablespoons maybe. We'll need more of this.
What?
We need more of this keto, Tanya. Yeah, that's what it looks like, boy.
What? Can I have some? Okay.
Yeah, you can stir it. Go ahead. No.
Okay.
Alright, see you done. Alright, hey, yeah. Now, put them on the grill. And my friend Matt, the pitmaster, says, based when they're almost done. That's right. And how do you tell they're almost done? When the bacon looks done.
Bye.
Now, do the barbecue in a snowstorm.
And let's not get in the barbecue.
I didn't ask for that. Place them in there. All right, now you baste this sucker. Yeah. Make sure you cover the whole thing with bacon. I'm not prepared. And cook it a little longer when you're done. Probably baste it again. All right, now come in from the snowstorm with your jalapeno poppers. They did pretty good for my first time, I think. Baste them again. Make sure you spray the grates of your grill with some good lube so they don't stick. I don't often use the barbecue, but when I do, shit sticks to it. Right now, enjoy them. You see it, boy? Can you see it?
Yeah.
Zoom in there. Yeah, oh wow.
Really good?
Unbelievable.